Hi guys, I'm so excited. It arrived today. It got shipped on Friday. So I didn't want to open it first because there should be 3 packages that arrived today, or 4. One doesn't have a tracking number, but 2 of them, which were shipped earlier, doesn't even pass the security as I tracked them, which is weird because they arrived in the country what's that day? Saturday. So they should be already past the security yesterday. They should have passed that yesterday, and now they should have in my hand. And now I'm a bit afraid that the other postman will just ring up and I have to get the... But I just couldn't wait to open this. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. What's in there? Ah, the other thing. So I've asked for another. I bought. Okay, I can't speak. Sorry, I just got up because I had to force myself back to sleep because I just couldn't wait. So I've ordered a. I can't pronounce its name. It's Donghae. I mean, I can pronounce Donghae's name. Then it's here. Oh my god, I've got my favorite color. I wanted this one at first because I already planning to buy all of the colors, so but for my favorite I'm planning to buy a double one. I already found a place for my extra copies because there won't be ever sexy free and single giveaway. It's just from my country the shipping is impossible. I would have to pay more than the album from Korea cost to get here. Okay, then let's see the freebies. What K-pop Town gave to every pre-order. Okay, Kyuhyun, Shinon, Jiwon, and his weird picture. Tiki, Inja, Yusan, Kengi, Sungmin, Hyuk, and then I think I'm gonna get another copy of these, but okay, so open this. It's here. This back. Okay, I'm excited for the card because I already bought 2 of the cards. Sungmin and the Donghae one. Just gonna say, okay, it's in a very good condition, so I'm gonna use this one. It's the white version, so I've got the white version. And that's the sticker, it's original, of course it is. Okay. That's weird, okay. That's the very interesting advertisement picture. You can do nothing with it. I hate them. I already have a collection of them. So somehow I should show you the pictures. Okay, the first 2 pages not too interesting. Then there is a title. Then one yuck. And it starts like this, 4 members. And then pictures from the photo shoot. There will be a very good review of this soon when the other YouTubers get them. Then lyrics for Sexy Free and Single, and that's I don't know what. Sorry, upside down I can't read that. Okay. It's gonna be the order of the teaser photos, I guess. So far it is. Oh, I got used to see him with this picture and I love him, but first I didn't like the pictures of him. Lyrics. Then once Tick comes. Tick. Tick. Lyrics. It's like there's no point in showing them because you can't read. Ryuk. Yes, it's the teaser for the order. it has a weird smell, but I love this. Okay, there is the card, but no way. Okay, I'm not trying to figure out the signature. I'm not trying, although I can know all of them. I'm not watching that card, but it's not Donghae and not Sungmin, so this one. Oh, it's so heavy. Okay, I'm a bit trembling. Okay. No, I'm not looking at the card. How did that thing get out there? It should be next to the CD. And Chino? Where are the Chino? I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I thought there could be enough place there. But, okay, somehow I'm gonna make place for it. Lyrics. Who's next? So, man. The Spring Fairy. It's like too pretty. I mean, this is just too much for me. I love his blonde hair, but not like this. Lyrics. Oh my god, my hand hurts. Itchy album. Again. Yeah, the winter guy again after Shinong. No, I'm not looking at the card. Still don't know. I don't let my brain to analyze how they call it, the signature. So signature lyrics. Kyuhyun. Such a long photo book. It's amazing. And after I turn off the camera, I'm gonna look to myself. Lyrics. I'm not gonna show the lyrics again. Who's Shivam? The weirdest pictures in the album. What's with the hat and blonde? No, eyes. Lyrics. And the last page is I don't know. And this is how it looks like in the back. The CD should be here. I meant to put the card. But it's like, didn't you think that it's weird that mine is not? Okay, who cares? I've got this, so no way. I'm super happy. Okay.